What's happening? It's shaking!
Oh, brother, here we go again.
And the ancient writings predict a horde of doubloons beneath the third kelp sprout.
A horde of doubloons? I am surrounded by idiots!
Gimme!
Wake me when it's over. Who awakens me?
I touch the shiny thing.
My kingdom was utterly destroyed by the bonds of friendship.
Oh, but Corosius, friendship is the most wonderful thing in the world. Welcome to the Coralis Arena, fools. You'll never escape my beautiful creation. Woohoo! We showed him. Well, I'll be a barnacle. Oh, brother.
The path is open! Find us, Patrick!
This way! Faster! This is the best friendship chain ever!
Yeah!
I love the glowy walls!
Let's see where this maze goes. Just hold on! Help me, SpongeBob! I can't look down!
Hold on tight, boys! I can't! I'm slipping, Mr. Krabs!
Why do I always get stuck here? Let go!
We don't fall separately. We fall together.
Look, the heart is glowing.
The whole city is lighting up again. It's amazing. Did you hear that?
It's huge! Let's get out of here!
By the power vested in this reef, accept this crown.
Ooh, shiny. Hey, I'm the king now.
trick!